Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Today I'm going to do a day in the life vlog. I've never done one of these. I'm kind of excited about it, but I wanted to try it. Don't be looking at my messy closet back here. But I'm in the closet because I was going to show you my outfit for the day. And we are traveling to Memphis today to celebrate my granddaughter's birthday. She turned 6. So we're gonna go over there and do that, and then we're gonna go to Costco and possibly Ikea if we have time. So I thought I would just film the whole thing and let y'all enjoy going shopping with us today. So if you're new, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting my channel. Okay, so I was wanting to go like super comfy today because we're gonna be doing so much shopping, but I wanted to show you my cheap outfit because y'all know I'm about cheap outfits. So I got this dress. It's just a simple leopard dress, and I got it at jane.com for like $15. And then I got this shrug that I have it paired with, which is super thin, by the way. See, it's like super thin because it's too hot here to be wearing anything over anything that is thick. But and it's like a longer one. I just tied it down here on the bottom. And then my shoes are just some Skechers tennis shoes, or not tennis shoes, Skechers sandals, just for a little bling bling. Anyway, so I'm like super comfy and ready to shop. In case y'all are wondering, it takes an hour and a half from my house to get to West Memphis, which is right here where we're about to cross over the bridge into Tennessee. But to get to Ikea and to Costco and things like that is over in Germantown, so that's like another 30 minutes to get across Memphis to those places to go shop. So in case you're wondering, that's how long it takes to get over there. We went to Costco first, and I just went through and just kind of filmed different areas of the store to just kind of give you like a overview of different things like health and beauty aids, and then like decor, you know, things like that, just bits and pieces here and there. And I'm not going to talk a lot during it. I'm just going to let the music play and just let you kind of have like a relaxing shopping experience. But I will say they had a lot of neat things. I'd never been to Costco before. We just got one in Little Rock, and I just have not had time to go over there. So while we were in Memphis, we were over in the Germantown area already, so I was like, well, I'll just go ahead and go over there and get me a membership, and that way I can go to the one in Little Rock and not have to stand in line because they just opened it, so the lines in Little Rock are like crazy ridiculous. Anyway, so that is why that I went ahead and got the membership over in Memphis, was so that I could do some shopping, and I really enjoyed it. They have a lot of different things other than apart from what Sam's has, and I noticed some of their prices were actually a lot cheaper than Sam's also. So I hope y'all enjoy this. If you do, make sure that you let me know in the comments below, and I can film some more shop with me's.
Ikea now. As you can see, we're pulling in. I'm so excited. I wish we had an Ikea in Little Rock, but unfortunately we don't. So when I go in here, you just about have to drag me out. I love Ikea. Oh my goodness. But I did buy some stuff in here. I kind of show you my cart at the end. And I bought a duvet and some pillow covers and some different things. So I'm going to be refreshing my bedroom. So be looking for that video coming up very soon. That'll be the next video coming out. So be looking for that. But Ikea had tons of really pretty things and a lot of new things that I hadn't seen before. So I hope that y'all enjoy this portion of the video. So we're headed over to one of our favorite restaurants. This is Marlowe's in Memphis. Most of you probably know, or you may not know, I'm a huge Elvis fan. I love Elvis. Oh my goodness. And this was one of Elvis's favorite restaurants. And Graceland is about a mile down the road. And if you are staying at the guest house at Graceland, they will pick you up in a pink limousine and bring you to eat Marlowe's, which I think is so cool. The whole restaurant is decorated in Elvis memorabilia, and they have a gift shop, and this was the booth right here that we were sitting in, so I just kind of filmed our booth. But our favorite thing to eat there is splitting a rack of ribs. It's ribs for two, and then you get two sides with it. Y'all, it's like $30 for two people. It's amazing. The ribs fall off the bone, and it's amazing if I didn't say that. But I also wanted to mention that this restaurant was also featured on diners, drive-ins, and dives too. So if you're ever in the Memphis area, make sure that you give them a try. I think that you'll really, really enjoy it. If y'all like this video, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button and share my video with all your friends. I'm really trying to hit my goal of 400 subscribers. So please help a girl out and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright, this wraps this video up, so I'll see y'all next time. Bye.